Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to guide you through how to sign up for Bumble. Bumble is an online dating application. Profiles of potential matches are displayed to the user, who can swipe left to reject a candidate or swipe right to indicate interest. So to sign up for Bumble, first you need to go to the Bumble app, or you can go to any web browser and type in Bumble and click join to sign up. So to download Bumble app, you can go to App Store or Google Play and download it. Now, after opening Bumble, it provides 3 options to sign in. You can either use your Apple ID or continue with Facebook or use your phone number, whichever you prefer. But in this video, I am going to use my phone number. Now type in your phone number and Bumble will request to verify your number. Click OK. Now a verification code has been sent to your number. Type in that code and after typing in, click the arrow. Now if you want to set your location, then click on Set Location Service. To personalize your experience, click Continue. Now Bumble will ask to track your activities across other companies or apps. If you want it to give access, then click Allow. If not, then click on Ask App Not to Track. Now enter your first name. Then add your photos, whichever you want. After adding 2 photos, Bumble will ask to add more. So add on your photos. After adding photos, click on Continue. You can later change the photos as you desire. Now place on your birth date and click Continue. Now place on your gender. Continue. Now if you want to show your gender on your profile, then leave it as it is. If not, then just off the option and click Continue. Now Bumble will give you 2 options. If you are looking for a date, then click on the first option, or if you are looking to make new friends using this app, then click on second and continue. Now type in your email and press Continue. You can also skip the option if you don't like to add your email. Now click Got it. So after completing the process, you are successfully signed into Bumble. So this was the process of signing into Bumble. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like and comment down any queries and suggestions. And if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification to get notified of our newest uploads. Stay tuned as we will be uploading similar kind of content. But for now, thank you for watching.